Hi friends, welcome back to the Civil Engineering Concepts YouTube channel. My name is Shashikumar. I am a civil engineer. If you are visiting my channel for the first time and interested in civil engineering topics, then this is the right place. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for instant updates from my channel. Today in this video, I will be discussing a house plan of size 30 feet by 40 feet. The plot is south facing and main door is east facing. The plan of this house is designed as per Vastu. Now coming to plan, we start from main gate. The main gate will be 8 feet wide and we can provide another small gate of 3.5 feet wide beside larger gate, and this gate can be used by residents of first floor house. Coming to staircase, the staircase is provided in southwest corner of the plot and the width of staircase is 6 feet wide for 2 flights, each being approximately equal to 3 feet. The width of landing is 3.5 feet, that is 3 feet 6 inch. And now coming to porch area, the size of porch is 11 feet 4 inch by 9 feet 10 inch. Here you can park two-wheeler vehicles and you get enough space to walk around. And an offset of 2 feet is provided in west side and 3 feet in east side for ventilation purpose. And in north side we haven't left any space in that side. And in northeast corner, underground water tank is provided and cover of water tank is shown in plan. Now coming to main door, the main door is east facing, and as soon as you enter the main door, you will see a passage of 4 feet wide. Coming to living room, the size of living room is 12 feet 9 inch by 15 feet 8 inch, which is quite spacious. And here you can provide TV cabinet, and here you can provide a small dining table and use it as a dining area. Now coming to kitchen, the size of kitchen is 8 feet by 8 feet, and here you can provide sink for washing utensils, and here you can place refrigerator. Now coming to bedrooms, there are 2 bedrooms. Bedroom 1 is master bedroom and the size of this room is 10 feet by 8 feet 4 inch, and this size is excluding bathroom size. Attached toilet and bath is provided in bedroom 1 and the size of this is 4 feet 6 inch by 3 feet 6 inch. Now coming to bedroom 2, the size of this room is 10 feet by 11 feet 10 inch. A common attached toilet and bath is provided in northwest corner and the size of this is 4 feet by 7 feet 3 inch. And a separate toilet room is provided and the size of this is 3 feet by 3 feet 6 inch. And if you don't like the idea of this, you can use it as a washing area and keep washing machine in this place. Now coming to puja room, the size of puja room is 3 feet 6 inch by 3 feet 6 inch. Coming to doors and windows, the main door is 3.5 feet wide and for both the bedrooms 3 feet wide doors are provided, and for puja room and washing area entrance 3 feet wide doors are provided. For toilet rooms and attached bathrooms, 2.5 feet wide doors are provided. Now coming to windows, 2 windows are provided of size 4 feet by 4 feet in bedroom 1 and 1 window of same size in bedroom 2. In living room, a single window of size 5 feet by 4 feet is provided. If you want, you can provide 2 windows of size 4 feet by 4 feet in living room. In kitchen and in passage, a window of size 3 feet by 4 feet is provided. Coming to ventilators, 2 ventilators of size 2 feet by 2 feet is provided in both the bathrooms. Coming to walls, the outer compound wall is 5 inch thick wall and all other walls are 9 inch thick wall, and for partition over bathroom and for puja room 5 inch thick wall is provided. I hope I covered every part of the plan. So that's it in this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. I will be back with one more video and one more new topic. Thank you.